Hi, my name is Navin Kumar. I'm a lecturer at PSB Academy. So today I'm going to talk about the fundamentals of Hi, my name is Navin Kumar. I'm teaching accounting and finance for University of Newcastle, Australia, as well as Coventry University. In terms of academic qualification, I have an MBA in finance as well as MS in banking. For the professional qualifications, I have a professional banker status from UK Chartered Bankers as well as retail credit specialist from ASEAN Chartered of Institute Bankers. Okay, currently I'm doing PhD in finance, so I'll be finishing on 2023. Number one, we do have a very good view, as you can see from here. The second is, in terms of class facilities, we do have a 360 wall whiteboard where the students and the lecturers, they can participate in an active learning process. Firstly, it's due to the reputable program. For instance, our PSB Academy, we do have a University of Newcastle program, which is considered a double crown. On top of that, we do have an in-house digital academy, which is responsible in order to do an online learning platform, which is good for the students nowadays. My take is that Singapore, as a leading financial hub on Southeast Asia, will certainly undergo a rapid digital transformations over the next 10 years. So traditional banks' job description will certainly change over the years. So as a student, you need to opt for on-trend courses that will guarantee a good career prospect. First is referred to exemptions of professional papers such as ACCA as well as ICAEW. On top of that, it referring to utilization of technology in terms of teaching. For instance, digital accounting as well as finance. The new career opportunities that are going to take place in the future includes research analyst, financial analyst, as well as research manager. These three jobs will undergo a lot of changes due to digital transformations. To find out more, please join me at the PSB Academy Open House on 4th of February 2023. So see you there.